Sandwich Dad on location this weekend at Ness Creek Music Festival. Up here in northern Saskatchewan, Sandwich Mom's band The Naysayers were playing, and I got to say hello to some Sandwich fans, hand out some Sandwich Dad stickers, and of course, head back to my camp to make a giant sandwich. Now, I'm certainly no stranger to the lumberjack-sized sandwich, but this is the first time I've made one whilst camping. How will it all go? You're about to find out. First, we'll chop some iceberg lettuce, chop some onion, put it into a bowl, and then don't forget to slice up a tomato, set that aside. Big old Superstore French bread loaf. This bread's like 90% air, which makes it perfect for sandwiches. Olive bruschetta, kind of halfway between a tapenade and a muffuletta salad. That's our base. Our meat is capicola, mortadella, and prosciutto cotto, which is really just kind of a nice ham. Layer up all those meats. Then we're going to put on some Swiss cheese, just like that. Then relayer whatever's left of the meats. Back to our bowl, iceberg, onions, and a little bit of the oil from the olive bruschetta. The oil and brininess should dress the salad quite nicely. We'll also add some Kewpie mayonnaise. But then you turn around, and everyone left. They were so bored of you making a sandwich. So you dress the salad by yourself, add some German-style Gravelberg mustard to the top, add your tomatoes, look up, and hey, it's Matthias Kahn from the Burning Hell! And he's definitely impressed. And that brings everyone back, confidence restored, salad added. Then we can close up, complete the sandwich, and receive some minimal fanfare. But hey, look at this. Absolutely spectacular giant camp lumberjack sandwich cut vertically and reveal. A cross-section made to impress, made to share. So now we gotta cut it up and pass it around. I called over my pals from the band Chesterfield as they were walking by, and they got the split-up end piece. Doesn't that look good? Everyone fed, and there was much rejoicing, although I think the theme of Ness Creek is rejoicing. Everyone just says Happy Ness all weekend. For me, Happy Ness is a giant sandwich. Sandwich Dad, good day! And now, the naysayers.